how many chickens are on Earth at any given time? Because at some point, you've definitely looked at a chicken nugget and thought, wait, how many of these guys are out there right now? Let's find out. Right now, on this spinning blue planet, there are more chickens than any other bird species in existence. Like, by an unreasonable amount, chickens outnumber all the other domesticated farm animals. Combined cows, there are only about 1.5 billion. Pigs, roughly 1 billion. Sheep, 1 billion. And chickens, 26 billion. That's not a food chain, that's a poultry empire. To understand how that even happens, you have to think about how fast they multiply. Chickens grow fast, like light speed fast. A typical broiler chicken, that's the kind raised for meat, goes from egg to fully grown in about 6 weeks. That's basically the avian version of binge watching a Netflix season and then immediately being ready for the freezer. So, while a cow might take 2 years to reach maturity, a chicken's turning around 8 to 9 generations per year, which means that global chicken population isn't just steady, it's on a conveyor belt. There are always billions being born, billions being eaten, and billions just clucking around in the middle. Now let's get some scale. If you tried to line up all 26 billion chickens side by side, and each chicken takes up about 1 foot of space, the line would stretch 26 billion feet. That's 4.9 million miles of chicken. That's enough to wrap around the Earth nearly 200 times. Imagine standing on the moon, looking down and seeing a bright white spiral of feathers circling the planet like a very noisy bracelet weight check. The average chicken weighs about 2.5 kilograms or 5.5 pounds. So 26 billion times 2.5 kilograms equals 65 billion kilograms of chicken total. That's 65 million metric tons of bird mass. For comparison, the entire human population weighs roughly 390 million tons, so all the chickens together weigh about 1/6 of humanity. That's terrifyingly close to equality. If they ever realize it, we're in trouble. So there you have it. At any given time on Earth, there are around 26 billion chickens, enough to circle the globe 200 times, outweigh your car, and probably outnumber your intrusive thoughts. One of them might even be watching you eat its cousin right now. So next time you see a chicken, just remember, they're everywhere and they outnumber us 3 to 1. Subscribe for more and drop your wildest ideas in the comments. I'll do the math for you.